नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण युनिट 1.5 हीज फर्स्ट फ्लाईटची वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटी, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पाहणार आहोत. Discuss and answer. Number 1. Were there any situation when you got afraid? Answer. I got afraid when I was alone at home. How would you react if you had traveled alone? Answer. I would be greatly disturbed and depressed if I had to travel alone. Number 3. How would you react if you had to stay alone at home? Answer. If I had to stay alone at home, then I would like to watch TV. Number 4. What would you do if you were lost in a new city? आपण एखाद्या नवीन शहरात हरवल्यास काय कराल? Answer. I would go nearby police station for help. Number 1. Bird's eye view, meaning view from somewhere high. By standing at the top of Hanuman Tekdi, Sonu had a bird's eye view of Aurangabad. Number 2. As free as a bird, to be carefree, meaning is to be carefree. Sentence. After finishing her exam, she will be as free as a bird. Number 3. Idioms. Eagle's eye, meaning the ability to observe something closely. Sentence. My mother's eagle's eye is able to spot the smallest mistakes I make. Number 4. Spread one's wing, meaning to try to work on things independently. Parents must give their children an opportunity to spread their wings while making decisions about their career. Find more such idioms using the following keywords. Find more such idioms using the following keywords. Answer. Idioms with the word fly. Number 1. Fly away. Number 2. Fly into a rake. Number 3. Wouldn't hurt a fly. Number 4. Fly into a face of danger. Number 5. Spark fly. Idioms with name of animals. Number 1. To be a white elephant. Number 2. To hold one's horses. Number 3. Let the cat out of the bag. Number 4. Like fish out of water. Number 5. At snail's pace. Idioms with word colors. Number 1. Pass with flying colors. Number 2. One's true colors. Number 3, be of color. Number 4, show one's colors. Number 5, to be a horse of a different color. Let's see margin questions. Question number 1, gauge the meaning of. Number 1, muster up courage, to gather courage. Number 2, ascending the sky, go up or climb the sky. Question number 2, what did young seagull feel? तरुण सीगलला काय वाटले? Answer, he felt that his wings would never support him. Question number 3, why did the young seagull feel hot? तरुण सीगलला गरम का वाटले? Answer, the sun was blazing and he had not eaten anything since previous night. Question number 4, what were the young seagull's parents doing? Answer, his father was pinning the feathers on his own white back. Only his mother was looking at him. Question number 5, gauge the meaning of. Number 1, soar means fly upward, भरारी घेणे, झेप घेणे. Number 2, maddened by hunger, became very hungry, भुकीने व्याकुळ होणे. Number 3, seized means captured, पकडणे. Question number 6, what were the young seagull's brother and sister doing? लहान सीगलची बहीण भाऊ काय करीत होते? The young seagull's two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Question number 7, what did he forget? Answer, he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. Now let's complete English workshop. Page number 34. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. The young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wings. True. B. The young seagull's parent guided and improved his sibling in the art of flying. True. C. When the young seagulls pretended to be falling asleep, his parent noticed him. False. Flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. False. Question number 2. Complete the following statements. A. The seagull was afraid to fly because of lack of confidence in oneself and fear of falling. Young birds are afraid to make their first flight because flying is new to them and they are unsure of whether they will succeed. Human beings find it difficult to face great challenges because they are afraid of the fear of failing. Read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentences of your own and write in your notebook. Plaintively, monstrous, beacon, curveting, wait, soar. It was indeed monstrous of her to have been hiding the family wealth from her for such a long while. They were all beckoning him to join their team, but he did not respond. The eagle was curveting to land onto the ground to catch his prey. The rocket soared up into space. We had some tasty hot starters to whet our appetite for food. The neighbors plaintively announced to the family the demise of their grandfather. Question number 3. Read the following words carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word given in brackets. Afraid, plunked, appeared, shrilly, devoured, cowardice. A. Arun is full of cowardice. The violin played very shrilly. Ravi said, "Are you really afraid of the dark?" The whole village plunged into darkness. The lions devoured their prey hungrily. He skimmed through the report. One by one, the stars appeared in the sky. Question number 5. Read about space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you are going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 interview relevant questions regarding. Good morning, madam. I am Sreyash. I am a class 10 student of Aman High School. Our students have read about your successful space mission that concluded recently and would like to know more about you. Could you please spare us some time and kindly address these questions? How would you describe your childhood? Were you always passionate about space and its mysteries? How did you train to be an astronaut? Who has been steadfast support in this journey? What major challenges did you face in your journey to being an astronaut? Share with us your feelings when you were assigned a space mission by NASA for the first time. What are your current responsibilities as a part of the cadre of astronaut training to fly the initial test flights for America first commercially built spacecraft Boeing 60-100 Starliner and SpaceX Dragon? What is it to be like in space? You have been awarded the Humanitarian Service Medal for your great achievements. Would you like to comment on that? Finally, what message would you give to aspiring astronauts? Question number 6. Describe the challenges you faced while learning to ride bicycle, swimming or any skill. Take hints from the web to complete your write-up. Answer. It was indeed a challenge when I first learned to ride the bicycle. I remember my father accompanying me each day on the playground along with the new bicycle he had gifted me. I would fall so often and injured myself. I felt sure I wouldn't ever be able to ride like my brother. I developed the fear of being unable to balance myself on the bicycle. But my father and sister didn't give up. They would pick me up each time I fell and tell me to perfect the ride. With their help, I overcome my fear. My confidence in my abilities was restored, and I dared to ride the bicycle on the road. Certainly, encouragement and support go a long way in mastering any skill in life. Thanks for watching.